Believe me, I've done all the combinations to try and fix out the problem. It'll start. You can hear it. And you can see it's on a white screen. The white screen of death or doom. Apple logo appears. And it just stays there. Amazing. I really didn't think this was going to be a problem. The iMac 27-inch does not fit in the trunk of a Mustang GT. Didn't buy the GT for trunk space though. $500 flash, so it's an SSD. That's all I need. Memory 8 GB. I got two 4 GB memory modules. I've got 2 empty slots. It's great. So I'll take these guys out and I'll replace it with a set of 4 that are 8 gigs apiece. They give me 32 gigs.